Parvatasana here. Long inhale. Exhale like this, please. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Parvatasana, sir. 8, 9, 10. Now movement in your leg, please. Here, movement in your legs like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right leg up toward the sky. Your upper part stretch here and right leg up. ऊपर उठाइए. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Down, please. Switch your leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Drop your leg, please. Long inhale. Exhale. Now drop your hand. Look forward. Your leg up, please. Alternate legs like that. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. More stretch your leg. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Alternate legs. Exhale down. Inhale up. Look up, Pavniji. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up and hold, please. 1, 2. Look up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down, please. Inhale up. 1, 2. Look up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Long inhale. Exhale. Now frog pose here according to you, please. You have to wide your leg like that. Okay. Open your leg, please, and your upper part down. Yes. Yes. 1. How much you can open your leg? 2. Yes. 3, 4. Lift back. 5, 6. Very good. 7, 8. Stretch your pelvic region, please. Frog pose. 8, 9, 10. Relax, please. Long inhale. Exhale. Release your pose. Long inhale. Exhale your leg forward, please. Shake your leg. Take a deep inhale. And exhale. Catch your right foot, please. Keep stretch your leg, please. Catch your right foot with the left hand. Just have to straight your leg here. Right hand back. Look your hand. 1. सीधा रखिए. 2. Right hand back. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sir, हाथ बदलिए. Switch your hand. Yes. Switch, please. Switch your side, please. Yes. Keep straight leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. Swarna ma'am, keep straight. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Long inhale. Exhale. Shake your leg, please. Inhale, both hand up. Exhale. Paschimottanasana, please. Exhale down, forward. Leg straight, please. And touch your head with the knee. Touch your head with the knee, please. Calm. 1. You focus on thighs muscles. 5, 6, 7. More close your body. 8. More close, ma'am. 9, 10. Relax, please. Now counter pose. Fold your leg. Inhale up. and down. Yes, inhale up, madam, and here like this. Up, down, inhale up, down, up and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's please. Now Malasana here. 1, 2, 3. Little bit gap between your feet, madam. 4 palm में थोड़ा gap रखिए. 5. Yes, it is good. 6, 7 joint palm. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, relax please. Long inhale and then shake leg please. Wide your leg. Shake leg please. Both hands shoulder level. So ma'am, little bit forward please. Yes, both hands shoulder level. Long inhale. With the left hand catch your right thighs and right hand over the head catch your left foot with the right hand. Oh, try your best. Yes, inhale up with the breath. Inhale up. Exhale. Try. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale and hold please. Try and hold. 1, 2, 3 more stitch ma'am. 4. Try. 5, 6. Yes. 7, 8. Up. Inhale up. Exhale other side please. Yes. More try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up. Now, wide your leg. Catch your face and just try to down your elbow on the mat. Try. Catch your face. 1, 2. You can try like so. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax please. Long inhale. Exhale. Catch your toes and just try to down. You can catch your ankles and no problem. 1. More forward. 2. Use your strength according to your body. 4. You focus on thighs muscles. 6, 7, 8, 9. Up. Long inhale. Exhale. Shake your leg. Take long inhale and exhale now. Catch your right foot with the both hand and touch your head with your knee. Stitch please. 1. Keep your short leg. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Relax please. Switch your leg please. Up. 1. To keep your short leg. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Legs please. Lie down on your back please here. Right leg up. Catch your ankle listen and touch your head with the knee. 1, 2. Just close your body. 3. More up your leg. 5, 6, 7. ये थोड़ा ऊपर उठा सकते हैं. 8, 9, 10. Legs please. Switch your leg please. 1. More up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Legs please. Long inhale and exhale. Now up your leg, your both hand leg close, sorry, wide inhale up, exhale wide, like that. Keep your leg. Inhale, close, inhale wide leg, please. Exhale, close, wide leg. More, close, wide, please. Up, close, wide and hold, please. Wide and hold. One, two, three. More wide leg. Five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10 legs, please. Now Balasana. Fold your leg. Okay. Catch your foot from outside and push your knee towards your body and lift upper part. 1, 2 from outside, madam. 3 outside. 4, yes, push your knee. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here, madam. Like that. Okay. Relax, please. Long inhale. Exhale. Now, cycling, please, like that. 1, slowly. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Legs, please. Now Markat Asana here, please. Long inhale. Exhale, drop your knee and both hand shoulder level. Inhale up, exhale down. Other side, please. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale. Inhale up, ma'am. Foot wide, please. Foot wide. Yes. Inhale up, up. Exhale. No, no, no. Don't move in your feet, no, madam. Exhale down like that. Okay. Inhale up, exhale. Okay. Inhale up, exhale down and hold. Please look other side, madam. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale up, exhale other side, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up. Pavan Muktasana here. Right leg fold and touch your head with the knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Other leg straight, ma'am. 7, 8, 9, 10. Down. Switch, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. दोनों लेग एक साथ करेंगे. बोथ लेग फॉरवर्ड प्लीज. बोथ लेग फोल्ड. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Setu Bandhasan here. Catch your ankle region. Inhale, push your pelvic region up and down. Inhale up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and hold, please. 1 more up, 2 tight, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax, please. Savasana, leg relax, please here. Relax your body. Relax your breath here, please. Leg straight, sir. Madam. Long inhale. Exhale. You focus on your breath. Take a deep inhale and exhale. You feel energized your body and your breath.